Garbo kumaingon sa taga Calbayog City ang graduate gikan sa University of the Philippines-Visayas-Tacloban City human siya ang nag-rank 1 sa 2023 CPA Licensure Examination. Siya si Allaine Beduya Collamar, taga Barangay East Awang, Calbayog City, Samar. Usa siya sa mga nanghawod sa maong pasulit sa passing rate nga 91.17%. Mapasalamaton si Collamar sa grasya nga naangkon niini ug gihalad niya ang tanang kalampusan sa Ginoo ug gilabi na sa iyang pamilya nga giisip niyang ligong support system. Sayran ta ang iyang istorya sa kalampusan, lakip na mga study tips aron #achieve-goals.
Nauban nato sa programa karong taga Allaine Collamar. Maupahan aga Allaine at welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet mga kapuso natin lalo na dyan sa Eastern Visayas.
Good morning po. First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity to be featured in your program. It is really such an honor. And also, good morning po sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso.
Thank you, Allaine, for joining us. Of course, congratulations for topping the 2023 CPA Licensure Exam. Can you take us back during the time when you found out when the results were released, Allaine?
We were actually expecting that the result would come out by October 10. It was such unexpected news when we heard on the afternoon of October 6 that results would be released that same day. Surprisingly, I feel more relaxed and calm because I can't believe yet that the result would actually be released that same day. We had our dinner earlier than usual, and I could feel my parents were a little nervous than I was. Then we just waited for the results. At around 11 p.m., my reviewer from Rayo sent me a message saying congrats. At that time, na-feel ko na ako na ata yung top 1. Then another call came and told me na I placed first. Then I checked the results sa PRC website and I saw that indeed I was the top 1.
Wow. Anong initial reaction mo, Allaine, at saka yung, of course, mga magulang mo nung nalaman nyo sa family na nag-top 1 ka?
For me, syempre, I was very happy and grateful to God that He answered my prayers and the desires of my heart were and my manifestations actually came true. Also, I feel so grateful, contented, satisfied that all my sacrifices were actually worth it in the end. For the past years, I really gave it my all when it comes to studying. I avoided all distractions and really just did my very best. So right now, I feel so happy that it was all worth it and my parents were very happy.
Allaine, speaking of buhay estudyante, we learned you're from Calbayog City, right? At malaking adjustment para sa iyo ang mag-aral sa Tacloban City. So you had to do some arrangements, of course, adjustments. How was it like transferring to another city to pursue your college education?
At first, it was very hard. Pero kaya naman because I made friends there and they become my support system. And also, as an accountancy student, it was also very challenging talaga because there were so many quizzes every day. It's normal na every day may mga quizzes and before you enter the class, it's already expected na you already know the lessons. And aside from that, very competitive din yung BS accountancy program because you need to pass qualifying examination before you become a BSA student. So,
Speaking of BSA, Allaine, ba't accountancy ang kursong kinuha mo? Anong naging storya nito? Sinong naging inspiration mo, naging influence mo para sa kurso at sa career na ito?
In high school po talaga. Gusto ko talaga mag-pursue ng medicine. Then my mom told me na, why not mag-accountancy ka na lang? So, for me, okay naman yung accountancy because naisip ko din na I love math, I love numbers. So I feel like if mag-accountancy ako, mas inline yon sa gusto ko talaga, which is dealing with numbers. Yeah.
Para kanino mo iaalay itong tagumpay mo, Allaine, at saka anong mga plano mo after the examinations?
I offer my success, of course, first of all to God for being with me in this battle. I believe that before I took the exam, He already determined it beforehand that I will top the boards. Yun yung pinanghawakan ko na parang nagbigay ng confidence sa akin when I took the exam na God already designed it na ako yung magtatop 1. And also, my current plans, I will be working in a firm, in a public practice. I want to apply all the lessons that I've learned. And yun po.
Allaine, anong advice mo sa mga students na nanonood sa atin? Of course, mga gusto ring mag-take ng accountancy in the future.
For me, I believe in the art of delayed gratification. That is, you need to make sacrifices now in order to have a brighter future. And what is 4 to 5 years of sacrifices of studying if you will have a lifetime success, diba? So, just do your best and know that if you feel like you are in an endless loop of studying, it will be worth it in the end. So you just do your best and trust God with the rest, and rest assured that the results would be favorable.
Briefly lang pala, Allaine, anong study habits mo?
For 30% ng study ko consists of reading books, reading concepts, theories. 70% of that consists of solving problems and practice sets. So I feel like mas ma-absorb mo yung lesson if you practice it talaga and not just reading.
Allaine, yung message lang sa mga kapuso natin.
To all our kapuso, thank you so much po sa pagsusubaybay nyo. And I pray po na you will reach all your dreams and aspirations in life.
Thank you
God bless
for joining us, Allaine. Maraming salamat. Congratulations.
Thank you po.